you. What a big girl.
Sophie.
Here, let's get off the rug. It'd be really dangerous.
Come here, Sophie.
What are you doing?
Look, no legs. Sophie.
Whoa. Are you gonna press a button?
Oh, you're gonna play with the buttons, huh?
What are you doing with your legs, child?
Oh. Yeah, trying to press the buttons.
She did that, not me.
Hi, Mommy.